Yo guys, what's up? Today we're looking at Coinbase. Coinbase, obviously, cryptocurrency trading platform. A couple different ones out there, but they're pretty good. Fees are a little high, but we're looking at the stock today. You can see technical indicator here pointing up, so it's going to be going up. Hopefully, see how that goes. There's not even a 200-day moving average yet, so the stock's pretty young. We have the MACD here. You can see it went through some gyrations. It could be heading towards neutrality this week. It is pretty far above this moving average, so could be cautious at this point. May not want to sell a cash covered put. We want to see what happens this week. You can see it's been really hanging around the average, so it's just a little above. Might be a good time to sell a call on any stock you have. But the indicators are on the borderline. Even the stochastic it's close. So we'll see what happens this week, and what happens to Bitcoin is going to affect the stock. If it goes higher, the stock's probably going to go higher. If it goes lower, stock's probably going to go lower. Although earnings, super awesome, have doubled pretty much every time almost. So alright, that's I like the stock for the long term. It's going to be $1,000 in the next year or two, so it's still pretty decently cheap. I am accumulating little bits at a time and selling options on top. That's my strategy. Alright guys, that's all I have for today. Be sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching.